Singapore is a place, a country that moves fast. I live here my whole life, so I should know that. It's a high-speed 24/7 connected culture, and it seems like every day some new building or infrastructure project is going up. But thankfully, some things never change. The tradition, the quiet places, and of course, the connection to the sea. My name is Khairil Yusoff, and I'm a logistics manager with Inmarsat's Maritime Division here at the office in Singapore. Because of its geographical location and Singapore's extensive connection to the regional and global markets, it's one of the world's busiest shipping centers, and in some ways, we believe that it connects Asia to the world. The work we do here is mostly related to servicing our maritime customers from a logistical and technical standpoint. With so many ships moving through the area, we are ideally located to take care of systems installations, upgrades, and service work. In recent years, from our 2 warehouses, we've been very busy upgrading our customers to the FX, Fleet Express system. To date, we've achieved more than 4,000 systems, installations, and upgrades. FX is a great product, and we take great pride in our work. We try to make sure that every system leaving this building arrives on a ship absolutely ready to go, 100%. The team I work with is responsible for configuring, shipping, and installing systems on a daily basis. One of the challenges is that we're on standby around the clock. Maritime logistics doesn't stop at 5 p.m. and neither do we. Technology is important, and of course connecting people is basically what we do at Inmarsat. I would describe myself as a people person, and for that reason I enjoy my job a lot. It's so important sometimes to actually be face to face with people, so liaising and coordinating with clients and partners is a big part of my job. I like that. Singapore really is a melting pot of cultures and people. Here you can literally find anything they want, especially food, which is something I'm thinking about a lot at the moment. I'm a Muslim, and right now it's Ramadan, which means that for 1 month here we must fast during the daylight hours. There are so many interesting types of food here, but for me, the thing I enjoy most is eating with my family. So tonight, I will break my fast in a nice restaurant here in Arab Street. It's a strange coincidence, but my whole family works in the telecommunications sector. For me, I'm really happy here at Inmarsat in Singapore. It's my home.